Modular.
Hello, how's it going, Nick? You alright?
Good. So we've seen the digital stuff.
Yep.
But there's some analog things too, right?
Yep, these are full whack Euro modules, based obviously on the System 100. So we've got 5 units, dual VCO, everything's dual VCA, dual VCF, dual envelope generator, and then this is a kind of multi-effects unit, a phaser, really short delay, really basic LFO, and some gate delays. So
these are made in conjunction. These are not pure Roland manufactured, are they, right?
I think Malekko's been involved. Josh has been putting lots of work into it, yeah. So, but
these are just straight Eurorack units.
Yeah.
And I guess the Roland engineers must have been kind of.
Yeah, I mean they're based on the old Roland specs, and they're true to where they came from. That's certainly the intention. These right now are pre-production models, so they still need to be fine-tuned a bit, but they're fully functioning. So
nobody expected analog?
I don't know. It seems to be lots of talk online, but yeah, this is full whack Euro, fully analog.
Let's hear something. You got something patched up here, right?
Yep. So the Metro's just running a simple sequence. Got a single just from frames.
So this is a single oscillator, right?
Yep. Single square wave coming out into the VCA, VCF. No res.
Is that a multi-mode filter or a single mode?
It's a low pass, but you can engage 2 stages of high pass. So you can hear it just clicking in. There's no control, but it's there.
Right.
So function-wise, that suits me. But you've got 3 audio in, so it acts as a mixer, and then 3 CV in at the bottom. So we could get another.
So we're listening to a square wave here, right?
Yeah.
Got to get the sawtooth up.
I can open the filter here for a moment.
That's a triangle, right? Triangle.
And then saw. Very saw-ish. We can go back to the square and have a listen to the pulse.
I like pulse wave.
I've heard that about you, Nick. We could modulate that with the LFO maybe.
So I'm guessing, like everybody else, you've had like 20 seconds with this unit.
Yeah, still trying to figure it out somewhat, but I think any Euro user would just pick it up quickly, you know. There's nothing wild or unusual about them, so yeah, they just fit into any rack.
So what's the unit depth and power like? Is it just...
I haven't seen the back of them yet. But power will be kind of standard. There's no digital stuff in them at all. So I'd imagine the draw will be fine. It'll work with all Doppler cases, no problem.
And presumably you'll be stocking them at your shop, right?
Absolutely.
You get to plug it now.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Modular.co.uk, right?
As soon as they're out, it seems to make sense for people in the UK who want to buy actual modular to come to us, yeah.
So what, do you know when they're going to be arriving?
I have no idea on the time frame. I don't know. I'd imagine it's going to fall in summertime as well. So, and that they'll start production really soon.
So what do you think's going on with this sort of surge in modular action? I mean, it's really taken off, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just going up and up and up. And Roland coming in is a clear indicator of it tipping over, you know.
Do you think that's just going to open up the whole world even more? Because maybe introduce people to modular that haven't considered it before?
I think people who have this, you know, you can buy the single pedal, or even this if you get it, and then it's very tempting to just whack it in a case. So no doubt people will start here and then move around, and it'll be very mixed.
So I know you haven't got pricing information, but I was speaking to Josh from Malekko, and he said somewhere around the $300 mark for each of these dual modules, right?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Do you know if there's more planned, or is this this it for now?
I'm not sure. I would assume they'll do more.
Well, System 100M is...
Yeah. So I'd hope so. I mean, I'm really happy to see it. I've been a Roland fan for a long time. So we could patch in some more stuff. You just want to have a listen to that. Yeah. So got an extra sequencer running here. Got 3 CV ins on the filter. And then maybe we could get a MESSE running. Just another LFO.
Oh, so you can modulate in 3 ways?
Yeah.
Why not?
Good stuff, exactly. Oh, we didn't have a look at the phasers. So yeah, I mean, it's full on modular.
Do you know how far the LFO goes up into the audio rate? Is it mostly? Because I know the older stuff was generally a little bit slower, wasn't it?
I think this is the super basic LFO. You've got 2 outputs, and you can see the rate there now. So
Yeah.
I would imagine that's it. Bread and butter. So
Awesome.
nice one, Nick.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming by. Cheers.